Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
YouTube take half your money. Uber take half your money. Doordash charge the customer double. This is the world we live in, y'all. Y'all think shit sweet. No. Every time you make $1, somebody taking half. Fucking Doordash, you drive for Uber, everybody want half. Me too, me included. I want half too. Don't forget me, I need my half. Cause they took half of everything I made. We pulling up the Little Caesars now though. That's a rant for another day. You make some money, you paying half. What? They take half. YouTube, nigga, they taking half. Doordash, they might not taking half, but guess what? You about to pay double, so it don't even matter. Yeah. We at Little CC's now. This is a bad design. Somebody gonna run right into this. I'd have never built my building right there. Somebody gonna smack right into that. This better not be a disgrace. Look at this cream from 14 miles away. He don't care about nothing. No self-respect. They ain't got self-respect for nobody. These dusty, dirty 14.2 miles. I hope they cream water when it get to them. I hope it be the same temperature as whatever the ground is right now. Disgrace. Did I take a screen? That was a bad order. These people got me messed up. I'm putting them on blast. Let it not be a good tip on this order. I swear to God. I swear to God. They got extra most bestest pepperoni. Extra. Oh, hell no. They ordered extra. So hold on. You couldn't just have regular pepperoni. No. You couldn't have regular crazy sauce wasn't enough. You need extra most bestest pepperoni. It wasn't enough. Look at this shit. That 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. Look at this. Screen capture. You got me. I don't want that. I'm on their ass. I'm on their ass right now. What is this? Extra most bestest. 2,500 calories ain't nothing the best ever that many calories. That's the first thing. Look. And then why you eat? Look at all these calories. Oh my God. And then they got the nerve to order a Diet Pepsi. You stupid son of a. You gonna order all these calories. You should have got regular Pepsi. So you telling me you on a diet? So you ordered extra most bestest pepperoni. 25. Man, that's a brick. You ordered a brick worth of pizza and a Diet Pepsi? Man, I slapped your ass. Man, I slapped it out of you. Let me go get this move, man, before I beat and flame these people. Cause they got let it not be a tip on this. It's gonna be the extra most bestest, all right? Take my ass back up there.